Today, I'm going to show you how to add employees to QuickBooks Online. First, sign in to QuickBooks Online and open the correct company file. From the left side menu, click All Apps. Then select Team. Inside the Team section, click Employees. This is where QuickBooks keeps your employee profiles. Now click Add Employee. QuickBooks will open a form for the new employee, enter the employee's name, then enter their email address. Make sure the email is spelled correctly, especially if they need to receive notifications or access. Next, enter the employee's hire date. Use the official start date for your company records. After entering the basic details, review the name, email, and hire date. Once everything looks correct, save the employee profile. QuickBooks will now add the employee to your employee list. You can return to the employee profile later if you need to update their details. And that's how to add employees to QuickBooks Online.